had a chance to talk with Songwriters Hall of Fame Master Session panelist Steve Greenberg about his production work on Andy Grammer's hit single, Honey, I'm Good. Check out how Steve and co-producer Brian West use a combination of EQ and compression to achieve a singular vocal setting for the true ooh backgrounds. The actual main secret sauce used here on the chorus backgrounds is Andy's wife Asia, an incredible vocalist in her own right. She actually is a little more prominent than Andy's backgrounds, but you can't really tell that vocal is a female unless you listen really hard. There is a triple of Asia doubling Andy's parts, with an extra third harmony mixed in slightly. Amazingly, these have no plugins on them except for a delay, the Waves H delay, and a reverb, the UAD EMT 250. They were cut pretty bright through a Neve 1073 into an Empirical Labs distressor with about a 4:1 compression ratio. Andy's lead vocal here is a triple with some more plugins on it, a UAD Fairchild 670, the Logic EQ just to cut the lows, a UAD Harrison EQ to brighten and add warmth, the Waves C4 adds the super poppy high frequency stuff, the Waves Chris Lord Alga vocals, adding presence, bite, and slapback, with my favorite stereo pitch function that sounds like an old school eventide harmonizer type of chorusing effect. His stack consists of the lead triple, a third harmony triple, and a low spot harmony triple that just does two low woot-woos. The doubles have the same plugins as the lead, but with the Sound Toys Decapitator, which is also the distortion effect throughout the song. The harmony tracks have a UAD Fairchild 670, a UAD Harrison for brightness and low cut, and a Logic compressor just to tidy things up. Don't forget to hit the like and sub buttons for these videos